In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a video in 4K using Canva. Whether you're creating content for YouTube, a professional portfolio, or just want to enjoy your videos in the best quality possible, getting that crisp 4K resolution is a game changer. Let's dive right into the steps to achieve this. First, make sure you're on the Canva website and have your video project open. If you haven't started designing yet, you'll need to create or import your video onto a Canva video page. Canva's interface is designed to be intuitive, so you'll find it quite straightforward to navigate through the various tools and features available to enhance your video. Once you've finished designing and editing your video to your liking, locate the Share button. It's conveniently positioned at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on Share will open up a drop-down menu with various options. Here, you'll want to select the Download option. This is the key step where you'll prepare your video for export. After clicking Download, you'll see a few settings you can adjust before finalizing the download. Look for the quality settings. Since we're aiming for the highest possible quality, select Max to ensure your video is downloaded in 4K resolution. This setting maximizes the clarity and detail, which is especially important if your video content is visually rich. However, there's an important point to note. Downloading videos in 4K is a feature available only to Canva Pro users or those on a paid plan. If you're using Canva's free version, you might not have access to this high-resolution export option. If you find yourself needing this feature frequently, it might be worth considering an upgrade to Canva Pro, which offers a range of additional tools and capabilities. Once you've confirmed that the quality is set to max, go ahead and hit the download button. The process might take a little longer than usual, depending on the length and complexity of your video, as 4K files tend to be larger. But rest assured, the end result is well worth the wait. And there you have it, a beautifully crisp 4K video ready to be shared with the world. Whether you're showcasing your work online or presenting it to clients, having that high-resolution quality can significantly enhance the viewer's experience. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy editing, and enjoy your stunning 4K videos.